show 15 personal business presentation plans a month. 15 personal plans a month. If you want to be financially free. If you do not want to be financially free, cool, hobby. Right? I have goldfish. Keep goldfish. It's a very good hobby. You can enjoy, feed them twice a day and be happy. But if you came into this business, if you came into Questnet for financial freedom, do rule number 3. If you're sitting there right now on your sofa, if you're sitting there with your group of leaders, look at each other and say, I'm going to do rule number 3. I am going to do rule number 3. Because the past 1 year, when I started sharing the power of rule number 3 worldwide, with all the powerful groups, with all the AVPs we counsel, everyone called me and said, thank you, Padman. My checks are higher. My group is stronger. We are getting more sign-ups than we ever got before. And it's all because of rule number 3. So my advice to you is, do rule number 3. So I've got personal growth, system to maintain energy, passion, and keep the person committed to the business, not to fall out, not to drop out. And I've got rule number 3, all right, which makes sure the guy goes out there and shows the plan 15 times a month, all right, and make sure he hits his check and get closer to financial freedom. Now, rule number 3, everyone must do. If your check is 15,000 US a week, do rule number 3, you'll go to 20,000 US a week. If your check is 250 US a week, do rule number 3, you'll go to 750 a week. All right? No matter how big of a networker you are right now there, you cannot stop rule number 3 until you retire. I did rule number 3 from 1998 to 2005, June 24th, my birthday for information. Right? You can buy me something and send it to the V office. I'll be very happy. Okay? I did rule number 3 every month. And I was busy traveling, doing training for the V all over the world. On the plane, stewardess, waiter, friends, new contacts in the hotel, I would do rule number 3. Rule number 3 is the answer to all your problems. And I don't know how else to say this. It is the answer to financial freedom. Okay? So the point is, you are now in our business. So you must look at personal growth, keeping your energy, and making money. Personal growth, the sphere of silence. 1 hour of silence to get back your 23 hours of the day, to maximize, to be switched on, to be focused. Alright, when Dato started me on the sphere of silence, it was very difficult to do, let me be honest. 1 hour of silence for Padman, it's tremendously a big sacrifice. But now I'm used to it. Alright, and I'm learning from it every day. It helps me stay focused. It helps me get things done like that. Alright, it helps me communicate better, inspire the downlines better, motivate groups, go up on stage and speak to thousands of people. I do a session of silence before I go up, and my mind is sharp. Dato has guided me for so many years, and he told me, Padman, his success, or secret to success, was he has been doing this for 18 years. That's why he runs one of the most successful network marketing companies on this planet. And he runs the most powerful group of companies around this planet. Are you guys with me? Alright? So for personal growth, your training is between you and yourself. Your upline guides you, shares with you, monitors you. Alright? But you have to have the desire to change. If you want to change your life personally, if you want to improve as an individual and grow as an individual, alright, get the book Sphere of Silence, go to your upline, learn about it and practice it every day. That's personal growth, okay? Alright? And choose a mentor. Identify as a mentor is a big word, you know, guru or no. Just somebody to guide you. Somebody who has more experience, more knowledge in this business to guide you. Have that person, communicate with that person. Empty your cup when you're dealing with the person. Alright? Number 2, you've got personal growth done. You've got maintaining your energy, maintaining your passion, maintaining your excitement in network marketing. And that is through training. Please attend every V event. Attend anything organized by your uplines or groups. Right? Every weekend, go to your upline's house and wait outside his gate until he allows you in. A V partner flies into your country, follow him like a lost child, the way I follow Dato Vijay. Alright? AVP's V Council training, go. Right? Not everyone is a great speaker on stage. Doesn't matter. Listen to the man because of his experience. That he has done more, achieved more than you have in this business. And then empty your cup, go, learn, apply. Learn, apply. Absorb, apply. Alright? Attend the events to keep your energy. Networking is a very draining business. And we all have our low times. Alright? But if you attend events, you attend a V event, you attend your uplines event, you spend time with your uplines, you will be always high. Your level of excitement. I'm like this every single day. You will never catch Patman Senatiraja down because I'm always in Dato zone. I'm always learning from him. And every day I leave him, I feel like I can conquer the world. Alright? That feeling keeps me going. And I've been doing this for 9 years. And I have the same level of excitement I had day one today. Today actually more excitement. Alright? Because I attend events. Right? I work with Dato. I learn from Dato and keep my energy high. Third area of making money. Rule number 3. Make sure you do it. It's a secret to success for me and a lot of people around the world. Now this video is very short and I want you to play it to everyone around the world. And if you're sitting there right now, I have a piece of advice for you. You join this business to make money. You join this business to change your life. You join this business to help other people change your life. Take your responsibility seriously. Do rule number 3. Attend trainings. Do sphere of silence. And I assure you in the next 2 years, alright, you will either reach financial freedom or you're very close to it. Right? And you would have built a tremendously powerful network of people who will one day thank you for helping them change their life. Right? This is a short video for the reason I'm going to make a lot of this over the next few months where you can just play in your car audio or you can play in your house and let people watch. This is training. You can just plug in this video, get 20 people to your house, give them energized water from the biodis, alright, give them some popcorn and watch and learn and apply. Okay? This will be the first of the short series of videos by Patman Senatiraja from V Studios. Alright? And this is number 1 and we'll have maybe 10, 15 and I'll give you short videos on every aspect of networking. Today's topic is the importance of training and the importance of emptying your cup. So ladies and gentlemen, before this video ends, empty your cup. And remember that training is the key to success. Rule number 3 is the secret of success in our business. Thank you very much. All right.